There's a big problem in Jamaica when it comes to land, you know. Because it's a small island. And the Arawak them and the Arawak and the Taino them they live there a long time. And Columbus they come claim all the land in the name of Spain. Okay, and after the Maroon them and the native people them fight out Columbus. And England come down, they come help fight them out. England claim all the land of Jamaica to the king and queen of England. So the people in Jamaica, the native people, them Arawak, Taino, African, no have no right to no land in Jamaica. All the land in Jamaica is owned by the king of England. So them send man from England come down, they come take land. So them take one whole parish. Each one of the parish them in Jamaica is owned by one man from England. Okay, the Campbell, the Brown, the McDonald, all them people that come from England, each one of them own parish. Parish of Kingston is one man. St. Thomas is a man. Clarendon is a man. All them there are people from England. So each one own a parish. So where the native people them supposed to get land from? So today in Jamaica, them are bulldoze down people's house. Because them live on some big property. Now for them big property are 3,000 and 4,000 and 10,000 and 20,000 acre land. You understand? So the poor man, the poor black man in Jamaica don't have no land. And even if you buy some land in Jamaica, the hardest thing to get is your land title. Me buy land in 1974. Pay the lawyer Brownstone to get out my land title. And at 2019, me get the land title after me change 3 lawyer and survey the land 4 times. So all the poor man who go for buy land, if you don't have money for pay, you don't get no title. Me buy a piece of land only from 1988. And at 2 times I survey it already. Me pay the man tax for $250,000. And me pay $200,000 to get the land survey again. And me survey the land before. You understand? And me have to change the lawyer. Because the lawyer them down there scammer. You take your money. And them now get out no land title for you. You understand? That is where I go on in Jamaica. So no Jamaican down there, few Jamaican have title for land and something. So most Jamaican are squatters. People must know that. They can't come bulldozer you don't have for your land any time. And the Jamaican government no down there attack for no people. You understand? Them attack for England. England run the country of Jamaica. Jamaica have no independence. Stop fooling yourself down there. You understand? Blessed love, of Jamaica. You know, I never go to school, you know, so I don't know too much. So I just talk off a common knowledge like what my people them tell me. So I'm not a university scholar. So I'm not educated, so, you know, I don't know anything about education. What I know is about Jamaica, the land I man love.